I will give you an example. Like in Korea, moving national competitive from the town to the stadium, and then Brazil, moving national competitive from Rio de Janeiro to Brasilia, and then Netherlands. In my opinion, sorry, yes, it's not examination. So then that because within the national examination will be made students tolerate and make the concept can be made something better.
Because here, on my opinion, I was thinking my own way to the opinion of the first argument on affirmative. Teacher, mobile phone make a digital for chat. Here is not the talking about chat. We're talking about
The responsibility to people that probably that would be considered as sexual health. Education that would just go into my community. But it is not enough for how that into impact discussion of extremism and contraception to help young people avoid alternative pregnancy or disease. Conferences
and sexual violence in children learning. Therefore, sex education will be applied from an early age. Sex education in adolescence is also very necessary because at the time of adolescence, we must have knowledge about sex.
what always increase their behavior that is the spotlight for the same